Welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we are taking a detailed look at the legendary Colt Python, one of the most iconic revolvers ever created. This firearm has built a reputation for power, precision, luxury, and timeless design. Whether you are a collector, enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates engineering excellence, the Colt Python continues to stand out as a symbol of craftsmanship and performance. The first thing that grabs attention about the Colt Python is its stunning exterior design. This revolver carries a premium look that instantly feels different from ordinary handguns. The polished stainless steel finish shines beautifully under light, giving it a classic yet modern appearance. The ventilated rib on top of the barrel and the full underlug design create a bold and aggressive profile that has become famous around the world. Every curve, every edge, and every detail looks carefully refined. The wooden grip panels add elegance and comfort, while the overall balance makes the revolver feel solid and professional in hand. Even after decades, the Colt Python still looks like a masterpiece that belongs in a luxury collection. Moving closer, the quality of the build becomes even more impressive. The cylinder locks tightly, the trigger feels incredibly smooth, and the overall construction shows why Colt spent years perfecting this revolver. The fit and finish are exceptional. Unlike many modern firearms that focus mainly on mass production, the Colt Python feels handcrafted with attention to detail. The deep engravings and premium metalwork give it a luxurious personality that few revolvers can match. It is the kind of firearm that immediately earns respect the moment someone holds it. When it comes to the interior engineering, the Colt Python truly shines. Inside this revolver is a carefully designed action system that delivers one of the smoothest trigger pulls ever experienced on a revolver. The double-action trigger is light and consistent, while the single-action mode feels crisp and precise. The internal mechanism is designed for accuracy and reliability, helping shooters maintain control during every shot. Colt engineers focused heavily on timing, lockup, and durability, which is why the Python became famous among competitive shooters and firearm enthusiasts. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Colt Python becomes unforgettable. Chambered in the powerful .357 Magnum cartridge, this revolver delivers serious stopping power with impressive accuracy. The recoil feels controlled thanks to the heavy frame and balanced barrel design. Whether shooting at the range or using it for professional purposes, the Python performs with confidence and precision. The sights are easy to align, making target acquisition fast and comfortable. Even at longer distances, the revolver maintains excellent accuracy, proving why it earned the nickname the Rolls-Royce of revolvers. Another major strength of the Colt Python is versatility. Shooters can use both .357 Magnum and .38 special ammunition, allowing flexibility depending on shooting style and comfort level. For beginners, .38 Special offers softer recoil and easier handling, while experienced shooters can enjoy the raw power of the .357 Magnum rounds. This flexibility makes the revolver practical for multiple situations, from recreational shooting to competitive training. The driving experience of this revolver feels smooth and controlled. The grip design absorbs recoil effectively, while the trigger response creates confidence with every shot. Many firearm enthusiasts describe the Colt Python as one of the most satisfying revolvers ever built because of its perfect combination of power, elegance, and precision. Now let's discuss the price. The Colt Python is considered a premium revolver, and its pricing reflects its legendary status. Brand new modern production models usually start around $1,400 to $1,800, depending on barrel length and finish. Rare vintage models in excellent condition can sell for several $1,000s, especially limited editions and collector-grade versions. Some highly collectible classic Pythons have reached prices above $5,000 in auctions, making them valuable investments for collectors. The Colt Python is more than just a revolver. It is a piece of firearm history that combines beauty, performance, and craftsmanship into one unforgettable package. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with Zaheer Ahmad for more powerful reviews and exciting content.